Hey everyone, today we are unboxing and setting up the Creality K1 Max. It is a beast of a 3D printer and I am using it to kick off my RackMate T0 rack mount project. Let's dive in. Okay, first of all, confession time. The printer arrived at 10 PM. It was late at night and naturally I just couldn't wait. So I grabbed my phone, hit record and started unboxing right there on the spot. So my apologies in advance for the shaky footage. It was late night and I was filming with one hand. Out of the box, it is almost ready to go. You just need to peel off all the protective stickers, connect the display via a ribbon cable, this is easier said than done with one hand, and remove 3 screws under the bed that lock it in place for transport. I couldn't record the screws because I needed both hands for that. Once powered on, the K1 Max walks you through a simple setup wizard. You just have to choose your language, enter your Wi-Fi password, and then the printer kicks off a full calibration process automatically. It comes with a roll of white filament, which is great for testing. I'll use that for the demo print in a minute. I also ordered a spool of black filament that should arrive soon. It will be perfect for the rack mount prints. Oh, and if you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to follow along with more tech and 3D printing content like this. To get the most out of the K1 Max, I went with the Orca slicer. It is a powerful community favorite slicer that is easy to use. I started by downloading the installer from the official Orca Slicer website. The installation process was super smooth. Just a couple of clicks and it's done. When you launch Orca Slicer for the first time, you are greeted with a setup wizard that makes onboarding really simple. You can search directly for your printer, so I typed in K1 Max and selected it. And what is the best part? Orca Slicer automatically loads all the Creality filament presets for you. So whether you're using PLA, ABS or PETG, you're ready to go with the right temps and speeds right out of the box. Next I have followed this guide to import a custom build blade model and configuration files. I'll leave a link in the description. I also copied the recommended start and end G-code blocks from the guide and dropped them into Orca Slicer. These help the K1 Max heat up, purge and cool down more efficiently. You can find tons of models on Thingiverse and printables.com. For my first real project, I'll be printing a custom rack mount for the HP ProDesk 600 G4 Mini. Here's a look at the model inside Orca Slicer. It's sliced, configured and ready to print once that black filament arrives. But before that, let's have a bit of fun. I am demo printing a downsized Coco figurine. A quick 30-minute job using the included white filament. Here is the time lapse. It's always satisfying watching a model rise from the bed like magic. Here's the final result. For a quick first print, it came out really clean, not bad at all. If you are into 3D printing or homelab builds, definitely stick around. I'll be sharing more rack mount prints, setup tips and gear upgrades soon. The links to the slicer guide, the STL files and the tools I used are in the description. And a special thanks to my YouTube members. You folks help make these projects possible. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy printing!